Hello great viewers, welcome back to J Wells Mechanics. As you can see, this is a 4.5 early pack constant generator. So the client complained to me that this start works but it doesn't, the ignition switch doesn't function well. So let's start the gen and see. Ignition switch doesn't function. So let's see how it goes. As you can see, I have to make use of the choke to off the generator since the ignition switch is not functioning anymore. So what could be the cause of this? So firstly, we are going to lose the panel. So make use of the 7 spanner to lose the panel. Let's check how it was there. So make use of the 7 spanner to lose it. And if you have any question, please kindly drop a comment below. Drop a comment below if you have any question. So release the panel to check out what's wrong with it. So firstly, we are going to disconnect the wires, the clip attached to the wires. So we remove the key first. The key, we're going to remove the key first in order for us to have access in disconnecting the ignition switch. Remove the key. So we remove the key now. So afterwards, make use of a screwdriver and hammer to remove the switch. So we tap it anti-clockwise. You can see we removed it all. So see how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to our channel. So we remove it, as you can see. So you remove it and you have to disconnect the clip using holding the wires. You have to disconnect it. Yeah, so we've disconnected it already. So you unclip it, as you can see. You have to remove this. Yeah. So to make it easy, so we remove it. So we are done removing this ignition switch. So let's check out what's happening here. Wow, as you can see, there's a disconnection here. Yeah, there's a disconnection here. Yeah, there's a disconnection in the ignition switch. So this is the cause of not making the ignition switch to function anymore. So right now we are going to take this to the workshop to solder. So we're going to solder the disconnected area. So we connect it back. We're going to solder it back in order for it to work well again. Yeah, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask a question. It's very important. So you solder it together. So you solder it. Yeah, solder it together. So this disconnection is the cause of not making the ignition switch to function. So right now we are soldering it right here. So make sure the soldering iron is hot well before soldering it together. So let's make sure it's hot. Make sure it's hot. Make sure it's hot. So you have to put a lot of soldering lead there to make it firm very well. To make it firm. So right about now, we've sold it. So we're gonna take it to fix it right here. So we are done soldering it. So we cover it. I have to cover it in case. Yeah. I have to cover it up and fix it. So you can see there's a hook there for it to hold it well. So you put the packing, put the packing before putting the cover of the switch, of the ignition switch. Yeah. So we've put the cover. So we're gonna tap it the way we remove it the other time with the head of the screwdriver and the hammer. So you have to tap it gently. You have to tap it gently. Yeah, tap it gently. You can see for us to tighten it. So it's okay that way. So we've tightened it that way. So what next for us to do now is to connect this together. So we connect it together. So you can see we have to connect it together. Make sure it's well connected. Make sure it's well connected. It's very, very important. Yeah, make sure it's well connected. So we cover the panel back. Yeah, cover it back. We tighten the bolts. Yeah, we tighten the bolts and jam testing. Show we tighten the bolts. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask a question. If you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Yeah. So tighten it. Tighten it. 7 span. Make sure it's well tight. Make sure it's well tight. So right about now, we're going to put on the zero right now to test it and see if the ignition switch is working. Wow, as you can see, the ignition switch is working. So let's put it on again and see again. Wow, as you can see, the ignition switch is now working. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. We love you.